gone. I can't live like this. I'm done. I will tell everything. Each and everything. Just because some people have more followers, just because they can do whatever they want, they can portray everything whatever however they want, that doesn't mean I'm gonna let that okay guys, when I went to Spitzvilla, I was not moved on from Aditya at all. On day 2, I told everything, like literally everything to Digvijay that bro, ऐसे ऐसा scene है, but I don't know, I'm trying, but I don't know, ठीक है. मैं बाहर आई, things आदित्य को रियलाइज हुआ, मुझे भी बहुत घबराहट हो रही थी. when I got inside, I saw everything, I was like इन सबसे अच्छा है कि मैं चली जाऊँ बाहर आदित्य के साथ और मैं नहीं ये सब करूँ. उसके बाद क्या नहीं हुआ मेरी लाइफ में, क्या नहीं हुआ. I literally left Aditya for everything, that for Digvijay, ठीक है. And that person is claiming that I cheated on him. अगर मैंने चीट किया ना तो समझ नहीं आ रहा है. He's not picking up my call. He's not. क्यों कर रही हूँ? Okay. When I came after Spitzvilla, ठीक है, came back, मुझे था कि भाई हाँ मुझे एक बार आदित्य से बात करनी है. I was like हाँ मैं बात कर रही हूँ. दिग्विजय मेरे बीच में ऐसा कुछ नहीं हुआ था, but still there was something and I was not able to even leave Digvijay's hand, and I was in the situation that I don't even know कि मैं क्या करूँ कैसे करूँ. मुझे कुछ नहीं समझ आ रहा था. कुछ टाइम के लिए I genuinely took a break. I was like no, I don't want to be with Digvijay, but Digvijay was continuously forcing me कि नहीं, and I genuinely thought it was love. मेरे को कोई प्यार के लिए कर रहा है मेरे लिए, वो genuinely मुझसे प्यार करता है. There was literally a situation where I put Aditya and Digvijay both on the fucking call कि भाई बात करो, क्या कर रहे हो तुम लोग मेरे साथ, मेरे से नहीं हो रहा है, ठीक है. Everybody was there. My family knows, everyone knows that. And everybody was like, you should not be with any of these people right now. And that's what all I wanted. Then on 7th April, on my father's birthday, I still have chats. Digvijay literally forced me to कि let's cash out things. और मैं उसमें भी ऐसे कोई अग्री नहीं किया था, ठीक है. उसके बाद something happened in Mumbai when I went for Shreya's podcast. Okay, I can't tell that what happened, and I badly want to tell that what happened, and I don't even want to give that interview. Okay, but somehow they forced me, and Shreya was like सब कुछ setup हो चुका है, you guys can't back off. I was there for like 5 days, but मैंने अपनी बहुत जल्दी अपनी tickets book करी, and I came back because something happened, and that I didn't wanted that to happen. And next day on my father's birthday, he was like, no, तुझे श्रेया ने भी बताया था ना, cash out the things, and I was like, bro, I don't know, I'm not feeling it. यहाँ तक हुई चीजें, ठीक है. ये वाली चीज को हटाओ. उसके बाद धीरे सब कुछ इतना खराब होता गया कि I stopped talking to Aditya. I started talking to Digvijay at that level. मैं उससे बात कर रही हूँ, 6 घंटे हमारी बात हो रही है. I fell for that person, okay? And I didn't know कि it was all fake, ठीक है. It was genuine from his side as well. But Aditya was not going through a time जिसमें he was shivering, he was not able to process क्यों क्या हो रहा है, क्योंकि हमारा बहुत टाइम का रिलेशनशिप था. I have all the chats and I will fucking put it out because I'm so done. I clearly told Digvijay कि bro मेरे लेना कि दिग्विजय का आदित्य का कॉल है, कैन आई पिक. He was like हाँ, टॉक टू हिम. उसे समझा. मैंने उसे लिख के बोल रही हूँ कि यार दिग्विजय उसके आंसू मेरे लिए मैटर करते हैं ब्रो, ये सब तो चला जाएगा, ये सब तो हो जाएगा. Still that person like keeps manipulating me कि अरे नहीं उन्नति छोड़, ये वो तू यहाँ जा, मुंबई आ जा. And I kept going मुंबई में. And then now when I went last time to Mumbai, I realized कि मैं मुंबई में जाके सिर्फ उसके घर ही क्यों रहती थी. We never used to go out, we never used to do anything, just ठीक है. And then I got to know that he was fucking sleeping with the number of girls. Okay, चल मैं तो सिर्फ आदित्य को बात कर रही थी, फोन पे बात कर रही थी, एक वो दे रही थी क्योंकि ऑफ कोर्स मैंने एक पॉइंट पर इंसान से प्यार किया है तो मैं कैसे उसे रोते हुए मरते हुए एंजाइटी में छोड़ दूं? What were you doing? You were sleeping with the girls and now you are giving interviews that I was cheating on you. I wish I could have cheated on you, bro. I wish I could have cheated on you. At least once and all. इतने मेरे पे blames लग रहे हैं, वो लगते तो नहीं ना. उसके बाद, oh my god, that person, I can't. उसके बाद I tried everything possible to contact that person. Yes, मैंने 10th को उससे breakup किया for 10th अक्टूबर को. Random, मतलब मैं वो चीज बता नहीं सकती. 3 days he was out with some people doing I can't even tell you what shit. ठीक है, and I was not feeling okay. ठीक है, करा मैंने. उसके बाद उसने मुझे एक को रिप्लाई क्या किया उस ब्रेकअप का, आदित्य का टॉपिक. Like he was throughout planning all of these things so that one day he could come and say this and मेरे को बात ही नहीं करनी थी. उसके बाद 15 तारीख को आउट ऑफ नोवेयर उसका कॉल आ रहा है मेरे पास that उन्नति let's go on a trip 15th अक्टूबर को. And I was like what the fuck is he talking about? 18th को वो मेरी पिक्चर्स पे कमेंट कर रहा है, 28th को वो मेरी स्नैप सेव कर रहा है. I have proof of everything. And now and then बिग बॉस में जाके उसको एकदम से सब कुछ खत्म हो गया. बिग बॉस के आगे मैंने उसे इतने कॉल्स करे, इतना सब कुछ किया. Even I went to his place कि मेरा गेट खोल दे, उसने मेरा गेट तक नहीं खोला है. And now he is claiming that I cheated on him. Bro, have some courtesy. Just because लड़की अगर अपने एक्स से बात करी क्योंकि वो नहीं है राइट सिचुएशन में तो वो चीटिंग हो गई. लेकिन तुम लड़कियों के साथ जाके सो रहे हो. इशिता की बूटी कॉल वाज राइट. शोभिका के साथ सब कुछ सही राइट था. मैंने किसी पे ट्रस्ट नहीं किया, सिर्फ तुझ पे ट्रस्ट किया था. I don't know what to do anymore because I can't take this anymore. I can't take this anymore. Because if you're watching this, I fucking hate you and this is the reality. This is the reality.